Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something really special, a true blend of vintage Americana and modern off-road power. We're talking about a 1979 Ford Mustang Bronco Restomod 404. Yes, you heard that right, a Mustang with Bronco bones and serious four-wheel drive attitude. It's rare, it's wild, and it's guaranteed to turn heads wherever it goes. Let's start with the basics. The original 1979 Ford Mustang was the first year of the Fox Body era, known for its lighter frame and sharper design. On the other hand, the classic Bronco was Ford's answer to rugged terrain and off-road adventure. So what happens when you blend the aggressive styling of a '79 Mustang with the unstoppable nature of a Bronco? You get a monster that's part muscle car, part trail boss, and 100% badass. The build starts with a custom chassis that combines Mustang styling cues with a raised suspension system fit for serious 4x4 action. The entire undercarriage has been upgraded. Think long travel suspension, reinforced control arms, and heavy-duty axles that can take on mud, rocks, snow, and sand without breaking a sweat. The ride height is commanding, giving it that bold, truck-like stance. But it still holds onto the Mustang's slick and muscular lines. Under the hood is where things get even more exciting. This beast is powered by a modern V8 engine, think Coyote 5.0 or a stroked 351 Windsor, delivering raw power and torque. We're talking well over 400 horsepower, paired with a performance-tuned exhaust system that makes this car roar like a true predator. Add in a beefy 4x4 drivetrain with locking differentials, and this isn't just a Restomod, it's a reinvention. What makes this build even more impressive is the attention to detail. The exterior stays true to the '79 Mustang's roots but is customized with flared fenders, a matte or satin paint finish, LED lighting, and aggressive off-road tires wrapped around deep dish wheels. It's the kind of car that looks just as good pulling into a car meet as it does climbing a mountain trail. Inside, the transformation continues. The interior has been completely redone with high-grade leather or weatherproof fabric, custom bucket seats, a modern dash with digital gauges, and of course, an upgraded sound system with Bluetooth and touchscreen navigation. The blend of old-school charm and new-school tech makes the cabin both nostalgic and functional. You'll find grab handles, switch panels for off-road accessories, and even climate control systems to keep you comfortable no matter where the adventure takes you. But it's not just about the parts, it's about the craftsmanship. Every weld, every stitch, every custom panel has been done with precision. This isn't a hack job or a Frankenstein build. It's a professional-level Restomod that respects the DNA of both the Mustang and the Bronco, while pushing the boundaries of what a custom vehicle can be. Driving it is an experience unlike any other. You get the rush of a muscle car with the confidence of an off-roader. Whether you're blasting down the highway or crawling through rocky terrain, the control and power are addictive. The steering is tight, the suspension eats up obstacles, and the throttle response is immediate. It's visceral, loud, raw, and exhilarating. What's even cooler is how unique it is. You won't find another vehicle like this at your local dealership or even at most car shows. It's a conversation starter, a statement, and a piece of rolling art. It's for someone who loves the past but lives in the now, a driver who wants performance and personality, not just another cookie-cutter SUV or muscle car. So whether you're a Mustang fanatic, a Bronco lover, or just someone who appreciates incredible automotive engineering, this 1979 Mustang Bronco Restomod 404 is something to behold. It proves that creativity, passion, and horsepower can come together to make something truly unforgettable. If you ever get the chance to see one in person, trust me, don't miss it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. What would you do if you had this kind of build in your garage? Until next time, keep dreaming big and driving even bigger.